Yo, yo.
Okay, we're going to talk about what kind of tree do you think?
Oh, I know. This is a life cycle of a peach tree.
Yeah, this is the life cycle of a peach tree. Very good. Okay, so a peach tree is planted.
Yeah. So a peach, I think the life cycle, I learned about a life cycle is something like this. Something have a pattern to continue. Like first, someone was born. And then it grow. And it grow. And then go to school, get older, and get pregnant. And that thing, life cycle, get again.
Yeah, that's
like
right.
this.
Yeah, so that's exactly like what happens to a tree.
Yeah,
So
and then one day, people look one picture and said, "Ooh, that is my great grandmother."
That's right. Yeah, people just create generations of people. So let's talk about the peach tree life, though.
All right.
So if it gets enough water, it can germinate or begin to grow. The seeds, roots, and stem grow. Can you read that? Oh.
So a peach seed is, where?
Sorry. 1 second.
Can share a screen?
There it is. Okay. Can you see it?
All right. Yeah, the peach seed is planted. If it gets enough water and air, it can germinate or begin to grow. The seed, root, and stem grow.
Good. So that is happening here. This is where it germinates. So what does the word germinate mean?
Grow.
Yeah, begin to grow, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, begin to grow. Kind of like being born.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Okay, good. Let's read about what happens next.
All right.
Can you read about a seedling?
A seedling is a young plant has now grown. Well, and I have a trouble.
Oh no.
Again.
You have to put it somewhere dry.
Yeah, but still.
Okay, well that's okay. Don't worry about that now. Let's talk about seedlings.
Yeah, when I put it in the window somewhere dry, and if it's rain, it will still be like this.
Well, that's okay. Maybe just put it somewhere else. Okay.
Somewhere not dry. Yeah.
Okay, so a seedling or young plant has now grown. A seedling or young plant has now grown.
A seedling or a young plant has now grown. The seedling will grow. It will change into a tall peach tree.
Good. Okay, so can you tell me, out of 4, what number is this?
2.
This is 1.
This is 2.
No, okay, well, so that's what's tricky about a life cycle. A life cycle. It happens over and over again, so there is no real one, right?
There is a real one. It starts with a peach. If you don't have a seed, how can you have a seed line?
That's true. But then the fruit had to come from somewhere too, right?
Oh, a life cycle is so boring and so confused.
I think it's so cool. It's almost like magic.
But look, like this one. The life cycle starts here, here, here. And you say, who's the one?
I don't know.
Yep, and R2.
It's kind of crazy, but it's really cool, I think. So what happens after a seed germinates?
First, a pea seeds come from a fruit. A seedling germinates into a seedling. A seedling grows into a peach tree with flowers. The tree peach seeds can grow into new trees.
Okay. Excellent. Okay. Great. So then after this, it's very good. So sometimes though, we eat the fruit, right? And we don't save the seed. We just throw it away.
But I'm not.
You don't throw away?
Yep.
Where do you put them?
I collect them.
You collect? Sometimes?
Sometimes, but I want to collect, but my mom keeps throwing them.
Yeah. Well, sometimes there's no place to put them, especially if you live in a city.
Oh, the stove.
I wonder if there's a good place for you to bring seeds. Maybe you know someone who could plant them.
Who?
I don't know.
Mr. Matosh.
What?
Mr. Matosh, perhaps?
Perhaps. I'm not sure who that is.
Oh, it's in a book, High Class the Case, when I learned how to be a detective.
Well, yeah, maybe if you have a friend who can plant them, you can give your seeds to them.
Yes, a test.